an after Thanksgiving trip to the beach. Yes, Wrightsville Beach. Guys, we didn't pay for the meter. We're just going to get a quick video and we're getting out of here. It was $5 for an hour. It's not too bad, but not being here an hour. It's really nice out today. I hear the ocean. Yes. Love the ocean. Wrightsville. Well, you get to see the Atlantic Ocean for the first time in your life. Yeah. It sounds like it's pretty calm.
Yeah, look.
Oh, I hear them waves. Pretty hard walking in the sand with tennis shoes on. Oh my God. I'm gonna have sand all in my shoes. Oh my God, the ocean's beautiful. Look how pretty that water is. There's the pier that they showed on the video we seen. Guys, this is Wrightsville Beach. Look how pretty the sand is. Huh? Where? There, I don't see nobody. Oh my God, people are swimming in the water. It's not but 40-some degrees. Are you serious? Come on, Jeremy. I'm gonna walk down here just for a minute. These people are crazy to be out here in the ocean. Trying to see if I can find me a couple little shells. There's one. Here's one you can make a necklace out of. So this is the Atlantic Ocean, and there's people right over there in the water. It's less than 50 degrees out, it's like 40 something. Alright, I just want to give you all a quick video of the ocean. Still looking at shells here. There's a few pretty shells. Walking down to the water a little ways here. Oh, look at that. Standing on one leg. Oh. at that beautiful water. Oh no, is it gonna get to my feet? Woo! Alright people, I made it to the ocean. Awesome. Everybody have a wonderful, beautiful day. I'm going home now to put the tree up, so we'll have another video later with a tree. Everyone, much love. Bye.